Pastorate building in Staraya Sarepta. The building was badly damaged during the Great Fire in Sarepta in 1823. By 1856, the house had been restored and equipped to house preachers, pastors, teachers, and the community doctor. Since that time, the building has become known as the parsonage of the community. The building of the parsonage was used as a residential complex, where charitable assistance was provided to those in need of housing and food, doctors received the sick, and the community administration received honored guests. In the building, in addition to residential apartments, a kitchen, there was also an office, a court, offices and other services. By 1793, in addition to the stone house, outbuildings, an apartment and a worker's kitchen were erected on the site. Broken garden and garden. Behind the house there was a water column. In 1823, the pastor's house and outbuildings burned down during a fire in the colony. In 1914-1917, in one of the apartments of the parsonage there was an infirmary for the wounded soldiers of the Russian army. From the beginning of 1915, a real German school was located on the second floor. In 1918, the building was nationalized by the Soviet authorities and at different times it housed the Chernoyarsk District Council, a prison, the executive committee of the Krasnoarmeisky District Council.